how to change language in Duolingo. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily change language in Duolingo. So to get started, go ahead and open the Duolingo app and then make sure you are signed in to your account. Now, once you're on your account, click on the course icon at the top left of your screen, and then under that, you'll be able to find the option to change your course. So go ahead and select the course button in here if you want another course to be added to your list of course on Duolingo. You can also change your course into a different course such as Japanese or Spanish, which you currently have. So if you prefer to learn a different course using English, you can go ahead and select from for English speakers and then select the new course from here and then click on continue. And then after that, you can go ahead and proceed with your new course. And that is how you can basically change language in Duolingo.